Hello guys, you are at ICS booth IWA 2018 and I'm going to show you what is new for this year. Okay, so following the tradition of the UK one, that was a gun that have been the top sales of ICS for 4 years, we have introduced this year the M-Lock version of this gun. Of course, we don't just keep the old design, we just innovate in a new kind of design. So here you have the M-Lock version. There are some changes in the design. You have some lines in the bottom. You have some different features also in the hanger apart from the M-Lock. It is together with these new sights that you have seen in the Mars gun. That are the SFS collapsible sights that are really low profile. Also, now we use a more aggressive design of body. There is this kind of angular body. The grip has changed for a grip that is slimmer and tougher, so that you can use with the gloves. Of course, you have ICS split gearbox inside with a MOSFET incorporated, and because it's a blowback, it's an electronic blowback, you can also upgrade it with a SSS electronic system from ICS. Of course, you find it in three platforms. You have the DMR with a sniper stock for a long-range shooting. You have a carbine, and you have a SBR for short quarters. Okay, so this is a new release that will be coming for the second mid of the year. This is the XPD pistol. These come in two platforms, basically two lengths of magazines, and they are fully compatible. A short one and a long one. Features include, of course, a new design of a pistol, a different platform for those who want to find something different. Two trigger safety, the one in the back of the grip and the other in the front, so that you have to grab the gun completely so that you can shoot. Also, you have a pin that will indicate whenever the pistol is cocked. So you will see that the pin comes out when the pistol is cocked, and it will go in when the pistol is already shot. Same as the previous version of ICS, you have ambidextrous magazine release. The other controls are not ambidextrous, but it's a very beautiful design, and you have it in black and in tan, and of course the combination of both. And this is going to be ready for the second part of the year. So this is the ICS cooperation with ASG and Hera Arms. This is the crown jewel of ICS for this year. Well, this is the Hera Arms CQR. And what we have here is a cooperation with ASG. You know that ASG is one of our closest partners, and in this occasion we have the license to develop this gun in an ICS platform. We are talking a hog body platform with a split gearbox design. You have also a MOSFET incorporated inside, a quick spring release, although the quality features of ICS internals and the parts that come from Hera Arms are the stock, the grip, the front grip, all of those in high resistant polymer reinforced with nylon. And also you have the hanger from Hera Arms that is in aluminum CNC machine. And also you have the flash hider that will be in steel, also the one from Hera Arms. Basically is that design, the original firearm, but now for Airsoft, fully compatible with ICS, and you can wait for it for the second part of the year. So what you have here is a sport line. You will see that the quality of this gun looks like a metal, but no, this is a sport line. So we are getting into the beginner, into the low-end guns with the peleador, and this is called the peleador. It's a word in Spanish that means the warrior. This is a full polymer constructed gun with the M-Lock handguard, also polymer. The barrel will be is in metal. Also the buffer tube is in metal. And you have also an ICS split gearbox. This is not EBB, but it will be with a MOSFET incorporated. And we expect to release this one to the market also in a month, a couple of months. And also the second thing you have here is a new drum mag, a single body drum mag. So in here you have a load of 2,000 BVs. You can load this drum mag by using the front cover. There's two knobs that you just need to press, and then you can open and you can load all the BBs you can. It works with a 9 volts battery that you can find easily in the market. Has a motor that will feed the BBs into the hop-up chamber, and then you have a bottom in the back to control the feeding. Also, it works with pressure control that you can position in any place of the gun, and it will be also coming with some adapter for M4, for MP5, for AKs, and also for SIG. So wait for this, expect this one in your market maybe by 2 months from here.
Rapporteringen presenteras i samarbete med Wise Guy, Röda Stjärnan, Tactical Store och Malmö Airsoft Terräng Malmö.